Please sit back and relax. Gently close your eyes. This is my self-affirmation. I am relaxed. I am peaceful. I am happy. I am joyful. I am kind. I am strong. I am lovable. I am wise. I am positive. I am unique. I am responsible for my life. I am a happy person. I take the right decision. I forgive and forget. I am a magnet that attracts good health, wealth, and positive energy. Every day is an opportunity to learn and succeed. I'm thankful to myself for this wonderful life. I'm thankful for the beautiful surrounding that keeps me happy and joyful. I'm thankful to myself for the divine peace inside. Thank you. Gently open your eyes.